Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add shortcut in Google. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, what we need to do is simply go ahead and click on the plus to go ahead and create a new tab. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the customize Chrome option, which is right over here on the bottom right. And now this is where you can simply go ahead and select the shortcuts right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the add shortcut button through this shortcut tab right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and enter the name and then enter the URL and click on done, and the shortcut will be created. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.